Welcome back to the Talking Hedge. I'm Josh Kincaid, Capital Markets Analyst and host of your Cannabis Business Podcast. Today, we're going to take a look at the top 10 cannabis stock news stories of the week, starting with number 10. Red, White, and Bloom investees secure 9 new Michigan cannabis cultivation licenses. So the newly awarded licenses, they're going to allow Red, White, and Bloom investees Pharmaco to expand its cultivation license capacity in Michigan. And the harvest is going to provide Michigan market with a much needed supply of its ultra-premium lab-approved cannabis amid the current statewide production shortage. And like we've mentioned before, every new emerging market has a shortage because you're literally starting from nothing. So eventually, with demand, you're going to run out. It happens everywhere. Number 9, investors' path to psychedelics and why now might be the right time to invest. Number 8, sell your canopy growth stock, according to PI Financial. So PI Financial Analyst, who's updated their clients on Thursday, said that the new arrangement between Canadian cannabis producer Canopy Growth and U.S. multi-state operator Acreage Holding is kind of neither here nor there in its impact on Canopy's fortunes. That's an interesting take because these are two giant companies. And so whether or not their future valuations hold, only time will tell. There's not that much hemp that you need to create CBD for global demand. There's way too much. So maybe he's right. We're just going to have to wait and find out. Number 7, Aurora Cannabis is laying off a huge swath of its workforce and shutting down 5 facilities. So they're going to lay off 25% of its administrative and sales and then 30% of its production staff. So Aurora on Tuesday announced a new round of medical reductions and plans to shut 5 facilities over the next 2 quarters. I'm not sure how investors are going to continue to buy the dip on this when they keep writing off billions of dollars. They're literally telling you, we don't value your investment. We don't care about you, and we have no fiduciary duty to return any kind of value to you. This is crazy. I just have to wait and find out. Number 6, there are ways to invest in psychedelics. So number 5, Kronos Group and Innovative Industrial Properties, they received a boost on Tuesday after an analyst released new bullish research reports, upgrading the shares of one company while increasing the price target of another. I would say buyer beware on Innovative Industrial Properties, IIPR. Do your homework with commercial real estate about to plunge. I wouldn't invest your money into that company. That's just my opinion, though. Number 4, Canopy Growth amends Acreage Holding acquisition terms. So it's a bit of a messy amendment. Canopy Growth and Acreage have amended their plan of arrangement initially put in place last year. And the amended agreement will see a number of modifications. Number 3, Liberty Health reports fiscal year revenues of $50 million and a net income of $22 million. Cost of goods sold came in at $19.9 million. That's an increase from last year's $10 million. Not too shabby, Liberty Health. Number 2, MindMed developing IP for personalized psychedelic assisted therapies. And number 1, Trulieve expands Florida presence, cuts the ribbon on Brooksville store. The announcement comes just after a month after Florida-based company hit a milestone by opening its 50th dispensary, so trying to take on Starbucks there. The number 1 news story of the week should have been how our AI Cannabis Index is completely annihilating both MJ and PodX. So we have 0 securities right now. We are literally holding no stocks because it's too risky. So not ideal, but it's better than losing 4% that you saw last week from MJ and losing 5.6% from PodX. We lost nothing. So that puts us up considerably against the competition. So we're doing much better, outperforming PodX 138% since August and outperforming MJ 77% year to date. It helps when you can take the emotions out of trading with an artificial intelligence-based algorithm. With that, we're going to roll this one up. I'm Josh Kincaid. This is The Talking Hedge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or don't, and I'm out. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way out and check out these other videos that we've got.